Hello YouTube, this is Noam Plays, and we have one of those huge big taiga biomes over there. We'll explore that later. And hopefully we'll also find some sheep with that. I just need to do that. Alright. So let's mine out this area right here. And let's just, we don't want grass on this. That'll make it look bad. Alright. Let's destroy this stone and replace it with our water, or our dirt. Okay, and now let's hoe it all. We'll probably live off the farm for a little bit. And I guess that'll be the melon place over there. This isn't going to be the permanent spot. Alright. Let's make our place to get down right here. And to get over, let's have a spot right over here where we can go over to another side without disrupting the grass. And here we go. Let's dig this big part out right here. Let's put this over here. And here we go. Our little farm area. Now, I guess I'll enclose it with some dirt, so mobs can't get in it and trample it. Alright. Okay, we're almost done. This part right here, I guess we'll do a third layer. Okay, we are almost done. And one more layer and we shall be finished. We have plenty of dirt to get the job done with. Right, let's get our wall up. And then that will be where the melons go. And that'll be it for this episode. Kind of a short one. But hey, fine. And we'll just put a door here off camera. And that will be it. So, bye guys.